Ever wondered how other people manage their money but were too shy to ask? We asked for you in Got Money, Got Talk. Hi, I'm Celine and I'm 41 this year. I've been married for 12 years and have a 9-year-old son. I'm a regional sales director at a cosmetics company. My savings and investments come up to about 1.8 million. This includes a second property I co-own with my husband. I take home about 14.5k after CPF and split most household expenses with my husband. Every month, I pay $2,000 for the mortgage and property tax, $450 for utilities and telco bills. Then there's my insurance premium, which comes up to 1.8k. I also invest 1k in stocks every month. My son's tuition classes cost another $850. There's also my parents' allowance of $2,000 and the helper's salary, which is $800. I usually set aside 1k every month for our twice yearly family trips, as well as cash savings of $1,000 every month. That leaves me with $3,600 every month for everything else. My husband travels a lot for work, so I like to plan special date nights just so we can catch up and spend some quality time together. This month, we went to Odette. It's one of our favorite restaurants. I also picked up a new clutch that I've been eyeing for a while now, just as a treat for myself. My son has been really into science since he started learning about it in school this year, so I registered him for an upcoming camp during this holiday. We also ordered an electronic drum kit for his upcoming birthday. My husband plays the drums, so hopefully he'll impart some of his skills to him. And that's basically how I spend my money. Compared to our siblings, my husband and I are definitely not the thriftiest. But we think we're okay as long as we are both working. I'm quite lucky that my late parents drilled the importance of saving into me when I was young. So now I have the capital to invest. They also left their walkout apartment to me, and that brings in some additional rental income too.